This graph using a table of values. We're going to plug numbers in for x, and then we get stuff out for y. Now, whenever we plug something in for x here, remember, we're going to have to multiply by -1 and then divide by 3. And since I'm dividing by 3, it'd be easier to plug in numbers that are divisible by 3. That way we have whole number integers as ordered pairs. So I'm going to plug in -3, 0, 3, and 6. So if I plug in -3 for x, -3 times -1 is +3. +3 divided by +3 is 1. So there's our first point. Let me plug 0 in for x. 0 times 1/3 is just 0. Then we plug in 3 for x. We plug in 3. 3 times -1 is -3. -3 divided by 3 is -1. Last number we plug in is 6. Plug in 6 for x. 6 times -1 is -6. -6 divided by 3 is -2. So now we're going to come over here and graph everything. Starting with -3, +1. There it is. 0, 0. +3, -1. And +6, -2. They should all line up. There's our graph. The y-intercept, it's crossing the y-axis at 0. Well, there's no number here, so that is the y-intercept. And the slope is -1/3, and if you look at the graph, it's going down 1/3, down 1/3.